5 minutes left on the tape. I'm going to have to dig into the other Erie relocation tape. Somewhere in all those tapes. Oh no, I have them in the red crates now. I'm moving so many things, shifting them, and kind of getting settled. I had the monitors up in the van. One of them tipped over on the way home last night. Today's the anniversary of the flood of 1972. Live on Skyscraper Television, Corning, New York. Uh, 3 minutes of tape left. This is a rather nice view right here to go with the pictures I just took.